Have you ever thought, is there such a thing as 24/7 freedom? A way that you can build your work around your life versus your life around your work. Can you imagine that for a second? That was me. I didn't really know how to put it into words, but I had a mentor that said, build your life resume. Build your life and then everything else around your life. So your work, it revolves around your life. Everything else comes into your personal life creation, right? And I started thinking like, how do I do that? How do I do that? And just like many people. By the way, hi, I am Maria Lupita, and believe it or not, I'm a social media coach, and I help people, business owners, how to make money online with their own businesses. But when it came to my own business, I had a really challenging time. I don't know about you, but I've been on pretty much every MLM, multi-level marketing company that there is out there. And I've had success. I had many years of failures, but once I figured out how to do it, I went and got my car in 40 days, help a few people do the same, and then expanded into 5 countries. And then I realized it wasn't what I wanted to do, because I was grinding all the time. I was meeting with people, flying here, flying there, and it was just, for me, it wasn't what I wanted to do. And I was looking for something else, and I kept looking and searching. And then I started finding that there was another way. And I found low ticket affiliate marketing. And I thought, this is the way. I don't need to have a team. And instead, I could just build a business online. But there was one problem. The problem, that was very little money. What was happening to me was that I was very frustrated. I was working too much, and I was grinding still too much. And I was still having to do a lot of odd things in order to make ends meet. And then I found high ticket affiliate marketing. So I kept praying and looking for something. So if you look and you pray long enough, the answer will happen. God will deliver you the answer. And then guess what happened? I came across this woman on TikTok, and she was talking about how she was making daily pay, and she was getting paid $600. And she says, well, if you want to learn how to make $600 a day, go to my website. So I started doing my due diligence, right? I started stalking her, which means just research, right? I started Googling, I started YouTubing it, and I started seeing a consistent amount of people all saying that they were making not only $600 a day, but they were getting paid daily, and they were getting paid instantly. After many years of grinding and working like a mad woman, I finally got my answer. I finally got a solution where I can actually not only help myself make money online consistently, but without having to grind all of the time. 90 to 95% of people in affiliate marketing and network marketing never make money, and on top of that, lose money. And I'm not saying that because I love both. I love affiliate marketing and network marketing. But the reason I'm sharing this with you is because 95% of people lose money and never make money because they never can stick the way that I've stuck to this, right? They can't do all the grind and excessive work. Most people give up. I didn't give up. Can I have your permission to tell you what the answer is? So the answer is very simple. It's called daily pay. It's simply invest in a program that is not $6,000. It's not $20,000. It's not even $5,000. When you invest in this program, you will get a roadmap that will actually, imagine you have a GPS that says the roadmap to the pot of gold. And the pot of gold is daily pay. And that opens the doors to 24/7 freedom. You get to live life in your own terms. Wouldn't you like that? To live life on your own terms and to plan your work around your life versus your life around your work? That's what we have. I can show you dozens and hundreds and thousands of people. I am so happy to share with you that the secret, and you get 100% commission, you get instantly paid. So you're interested to invest in this because the investment is minimal. Like I said, it's not 10,000, it's not 5,000, it's not even 3,000, but you get your money back. And you don't end up being a percentage of the 90 to 95% of people that never make a dime and that always lose money. Then you would be on the other side and you'll be with me and you'll say, I win. So let's go in together and discover the power of 24/7 freedom. So go to the person that shared this with you and invest in yourself and in your future.
I started in May and I was single mom, okay, divorced, 3 kids, and I was working 70 hours or more a week as a single mom. So you can only imagine, I had no time for anything. Long story short, I did my research on starting an online business so I could quit both of my jobs, but at least one of my jobs. And what happened is through my research, Daily Pay had everything that I needed. It offered everything. I'm not tech savvy and I knew nothing about the online world. So Daily Pay was the only program through my research that I found that gave me all of that and would walk me step by step as a newbie. So I signed up, and once I got started, I noticed that they were already in the process of doing a 90-day breakthrough. And it was for May, June, and July. And you could accomplish making over $18,000 in those 90 days if you followed the processes that were given to you. So I said, okay, I'm like a week and a half into it. I'm going to jump in and I'm going to take this challenge. So